shuts the door?
I don't know.
Yeah. It hurts.
I also have like this square as a reference, so it kind of helps you with proportion.
Yeah, I see that. See where you're going with that.
Oh yeah, this one's gonna go hard.
So I wanted to hear your story again. You said you
Oh yeah, ask me whatever.
no, go ahead. You were telling me about Oakland, right? So you said you were born here?
I was born in LA.
Okay.
I won't disclose what year, I guess. I'm older.
No, don't say the year.
I'm older than I look.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
and yeah, I was born in LA. I was here until I was 2. So I don't really remember being here. And then we moved to Oakland. And I was there till I was 10. So I spent all my like kind of formative years there as a kid. And I came here for middle school and high school. And that's when I got into skateboarding. That led to graffiti and lots of trouble. But you know, it turned out for the best. What I do for a living now.
So how did you get into this? We'll just call it this. Artwork with spray paint.
I've been doing art my entire life, like literally. When I was a little kid, I went to the Brentwood Arts Center.
Okay.
It's an after-school program, and I learned how to do comic book illustration. So I used to be really, really technical when I was like a little kid. I wanted to be an inker for comics. So yeah, super detailed, like nothing like what I do now. Like I don't even know if I could do it now.
You can.
I think I would get bored.
I think you still can do it though.
No, I mean I'm kind of kidding, but it was crazy. Like I was doing the realistic Batman. And yeah, it was crazy. But my parents always encourage art. My dad does. He's like an architect, not by profession. He just does it for fun. And my mom's in fashion. And then my late grandpa, is a pretty well-known artist in Israel. He did abstract work. So I used to watch him in the studio. And I didn't know what the fuck he was doing, but now that I'm older, like I see how much of an impact it had on me. But yeah, I don't know. It's a long-winded way of saying it. I've just always done this shit.
I think you have a lot of talent, man. The world needs to see.
Appreciate it. Yeah, this one's gonna be proper. I can already tell.
It's good when you feel it as an artist. You say you warmed up.
Yeah. Not that the other one wasn't proper, so it's weird circumstances, you know?
Yeah, I understand. Damn, bro. It's crazy when you see your vision come to life.
I bet.
The world needs to know, man. How did you guys link up? I'm like, that's a story in itself.
Yeah, for real. A lot of people will say some shit like that. I'm like, okay, and then I can never hear from them again.
What do you mean? Oh, like what I did when I met you?
Yeah.
Oh, nah, bro. I'm true to my word.
Yeah, but you know how people are.
That's one thing about LA I don't like is that like you'll meet somebody and they're like, oh, yeah, hit me up, I got you, and then they don't show. Being from New York, we don't move like that. We stay true to our words. Man, that's sick what you doing with that globe, bro.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, the way you did it before. So you do like what, the black lines?
Yeah.
Like a little thing. It just shows like a map. Yeah, you're right. People come in here, man.
I told you.
All right, I'm here with my boy Darin. He's painting a mural for me. Say what up to the people. he's in focus mode right now. But I just want to give a special shout out to this talent right here, because this is something I can't do. I can cook healthy recipes, but art is not my thing. I'm an artist through food, so we're coming together. This is awesome. Damn.
Not even done yet.
This guy's an alien, dude. He's not even human anymore, bro. Yeah, he's an alien. He's from Mars. He's from space. Damn, that shit is fucking. Damn. Well, I saw you using your zone on that one. Woo! Yeah, I like that. That's real cartoony.
Kind of goes with the theme, you know?
Yeah, because you're using the same colors that you're using in the canvas.